Daniel was a good man, a good man. He was wholly devoted to a God he loved, though he was told not to pray. Daniel prayed 1, 2, 3 times a day. And if I could tell Daniel one thing, this is what I would say. Hey Daniel,
go when you win the torture Jerusalem, man. Pray till you know your answer is found. Some people may not like it, they may think it's strange, but you know when you pray, everything changes. Daniel, open up your window and pray.
Punishment was coming, throw Daniel in the den of lions awaited him, but he trusted his God through and through. God sent an angel to the rescue. At daybreak a voice was heard